I don't have a boyfriend, and I don't think so. It's my work. I don't think even my father feels bad when he looks at it because he knows I'm just acting. He's a friend. I have similar kind of pictures with another friend of mine, Pankaj, also, and I have similar kind of pictures with Naman and Siddhant also. But I don't know why everybody keeps asking me. Yeah, so what? I go on holiday with a lot of my friends, and we always go in a group. No, I'm not in this relationship. I am single. I need to find somebody interesting to mingle. Somebody with good sense of humor and somebody who loves food because I love food. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, एक मर्द के दिल का रास्ता उसके पेट से जाता है, सेम मेरे दिल का रास्ता मेरे पेट से जाता है. I moved to Bombay when I was doing South movies and कर ही रही थी तभी ऑफर आया इस शो का. पहले मैंने मना कर दिया था, बट देन उस टाइम मेरे कोई कमिटमेंट्स नहीं थे एंड मैं जब इन लोगों से मिली they were very sweet and very nice. So I said yes for it and thank God I said yes for it. I think this has been the best decision of my life. मुझे टशनेश ने इतना दिया ना, whether it's name, fame, money, टशनेश has given me so much in life. It's been great. I'm telling you. I've been working for 5 years now, but इस एक साल में मैंने जितना नाम और इज्जत and recognition, all that I have earned is great. I mean, this has been one of the best year of my life in every way, and I am so thankful to God for that. Yeah, in real life also, I am very nice until unless you are nice to me. If you rub me the wrong way, I am very mean. I am full ladaku, Punjabi pataka. No, not really. On set, I never had to, but if somebody messes with me, they know how bad I am. Why not? I'm an actor and I would love to act all my life, whether it's movies, theatre, television show, whatever. But luckily, I never faced any casting calls anywhere. Acting happened to me when I was in Delhi doing a job. I got few modeling assignments which I did, and I had done an ad for Chennai Diamonds when I was in Delhi. So that ad, when they used to come in a movie hall when people would go watch any South Indian movies in the multiplexes there. So one famous director was casting, and he had gone to see some movie with his dialogue writer. So they saw me there, and luckily they knew the ad director, so they contacted me through him. And they called me for audition. I cleared the audition. I was casted in that, and I realized, okay, acting is my call. Initially, it was difficult to convince them. My mother would travel with me everywhere, but then yeah, they were happy. Now, if I think, what if not an actress, I think, I could have been anything, but I would haven't been happy and successful the way I am. I would describe myself as a very hyper, sensitive, emotional, but very ambitious and short-tempered girl. It feels nice to be a girl when you get so much of attention and love. It feels nice, and I use it more. keeps me going. Like when people like me, I feel like, oh fine, you know, because I've been a tomboy who was never keen on looking good, wearing nice clothes, putting on makeup. But now I think, oh my god, I should take care of myself. I should live like a girl and dress up like a girl. I enjoy it. I think मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट तो मैं खुद ही हूँ. उसके बाद सैन और सिद्धांत दोनों एक लेवल पे आते हैं. My hot top favorite I am only for myself. Both of them are very close to me. I really can't differentiate because all three of us started the show. All three of us share a same equation. Like both of them are equally close to me. I love both of them. I can't choose one. If I have to chill with one, I cannot. It's always three of us chilling together. Right now, I don't think I'll be able to say anything because every time I think about Dashnesh coming to an end, I get really emotional. Because right now, I was talking to my co-actors. It will be so difficult for me to give the last shot because this show was about me. I've lived this character for a year. This show has given me so much in life. It will be a very emotional moment for me. I don't know. Yes, because it was always a finite series. We were told, and we all signed on this only that it's a 1-year finite series. But I never thought that I would get so attached to it, and it would be such a difficult moment for me to know that it's ending now. Oh, the weirdest rumor which has been doing rounds since 2-3 months is that I am getting married, and there were rumors that I am getting married and I am leaving the show. See, I am not leaving the show. Show is ending. I told you guys I would never leave the show, and I am not getting married. I'm too young to get married. Yeah. I don't think. Wearing a bikini is different. I can totally wear it, but wearing a bikini and coming in on camera and showing it to the national audience, I cannot do this. It's something, my body is something very private, very personal. I wouldn't be okay showing it to the world. See, I am a kind of person who's always worked on my own conditions. So whatever I'll ever do in life, it will be on my own conditions, and I have few limitations. And if the scene demands so, it will be discussed, and we'll all come to a mutual conclusion. What I am also comfortable doing, and what the script also gets according to the demand.